Fear is faith in evil instead of good, and only good can come into my life. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new year. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year. It is 2026 and I can't believe it that we are in 2026. I just remember it being the year 2000 and we being scared that the world was gonna end. Shit is crazy. But anywho, welcome back to my channel. It's a new year and all the good things, Please excuse my voice. I am getting over a little cold right now. I've been running around for these last couple days, preparing me and my kids and my home for this snowstorm that is coming. But by the time you do see this video, you will already be in February. So I just wanted to share something with you that I've been doing for the last 2 years that has helped me, I feel like, really tremendously. Just kind of like reflect and organize things in this chaotic brain of mine. And I wanted to share it with you. I know most people tend to, January comes around and, some people take a little reset. So that's why I decided to release this in February. So maybe you done chilled for January, got your everything in order, and, got your little reset going. Now you ready to hit the ground running and do whatever it is you got to go do. So I found something, it was a couple years ago. I can't remember the young lady's name, just something I came across on TikTok. It was in 2024. And it was a workbook, a free workbook, and it's called Year Compass. So basically it's like, you know how most people want to make like New Year's resolutions? They have all these goals. I'm gonna do this, how we used to do back in the day. New year, new me. And not much really changes. You can't stick with your goals of whatever it is, quitting something, stop drinking, stop smoking. I'm gonna be in the gym. And then by March, you're done. You're not even sticking to your resolutions anymore. I never really been a big resolution person. It's kind of like me, I wing shit a lot of the times, I'm not gonna lie. Like, even when stopping drinking and stuff and smoking, it wasn't even a decision. I just never went back to the liquor store. I just never went and bought weed no more. Like, I just stopped. Like, I don't know. Me, I don't really make resolutions. If I tell myself I'm gonna do something, then it's like, I don't know, I'm putting pressure on myself. And something also I started doing, and I realized this works really well for me, is not setting goals for myself. Like, it is a goal, but the way I have to frame it for myself, I have to say it's a task. Because when I say goals, it's like, it's something I have to work towards, something I have to work hard towards, and I'm putting unnecessary pressure on myself. I'm getting overwhelmed. I'm getting overstimulated, because it's like, it's something, to accomplish. And if I frame it as a task, it's just something I have to do. That's what works for me. If you're like me, maybe that'll work for you. Just look at things as a task. This is just something I got to do because it got to get done. It's still a goal, but I'm not framing it in my mind. My mind is, the goals have exited. Everything is a task now. So I'm going to share with you the Year Compass, this workbook that I've been using since 2024, and it has been amazing. Like, I literally looked through my last 2 ones, and I kind of teared up a little bit because I was like the amount of things I was able to check off. I'm actually going to share a couple of the worksheets from the workbook so you can even get a little idea of what's in store for it. So the Year Compass, and you can find this at yearcompass.com. It is free. You can download it, I believe, and put it on your iPad, but you can also print it out. You can print it out into like a mini workbook or into a full one. I do the full one because I like to write. So it's a booklet, which basically helps you reflect on your past year, actually, and then plan for your future year, your dreams, your aspirations, all these things. And it's just, you have to be very honest. This is for you. You're doing this for you. You can do it in a group, but honestly, I suggest just do it by yourself. You can get real honest, write down everything, and it asks you certain questions and helps you just really sit and reflect. Like, you're gonna have to sit down, really set aside some time, some quiet time, no distractions, phone on D&D, no music playing, no nothing. Like, really get in tune, sit by yourself for a little bit. And I know it's hard these days because I've struggled with just being focused. It's one of my biggest icks about myself. Sometimes I get very distracted, and it be these phones. The older people was right. It be these damn phones. So this year I'm actually working on limiting my screen time on my phone, because I hate sometimes when I happen to scroll over and I be like, wow. Now most of my time is spent on YouTube. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. I consume a lot of content on YouTube. But sometimes I find myself just scrolling, doom scrolling. And I'm like, where did the time go? And I'm distracted, not even getting done what I need to get done. Before I know it, it's bedtime. It's time to take a shower and go lay down, you know? So really focusing on, I'm being very intentional with my time and where I'm putting my energy towards. So I'll show you guys what the booklet looks like. And this is it. It's called The Year Compass. And this is 25 to 26. This is the one I started. 20 pages. And, well, it really starts on page 4. So I'll share this first page with you, and I'll put up right here what the first page looks like blank, so you can see it. So it says the past year. That's the first page you're going to start on. And it's basically telling you, it says go through your calendar. Go through last year's calendar week by week. If you see an important event, family gathering, friendly get-together, or a significant project, write it down. Now, I'm someone that doesn't really put things in my calendar, my phone calendar anyway, unless I'm going somewhere and I have to buy a ticket for it, and I'll add it to like my phone calendar. Me, as much as I'm not on my personal social media, I haven't been on my personal social media platforms in years. Honestly, probably going on 2 years for Instagram, 3 years Facebook. I don't know. I be living in real time. Like, I have fun in real time. So I gotta go through my camera roll. That's the only way I'm able to see what I did. Cause I'm still documenting stuff. I'm just not putting it out, you know, to people on social media. Like, I don't really need people keeping up with me. You wanna keep up with me? Come on YouTube. That's where I'm at. But I didn't even realize how much I did. You don't even realize how much you do until you sit down and really like reflect. And I filled up this whole page. I had to like end up writing very small at the bottom. And this started from the top of the year, from January all the way into December. I didn't even realize that I did all of these things last year. Like, I didn't even realize it. Like, what? I did all of this. I remember the first time I did it, I was like, yo, I was moving around. So I really like this first page. It's because sometimes when you're just having fun and you're just living, like, you don't even like realize what's going on, like, because you're just doing. And that's how I want to live my life. I just want to do. So the second page, this is what my last year is about. And it basically says, we live our lives through distinct but interconnected aspects. Take a look at the areas below and ask yourself what the significant events in each of them were. Write down your answers. So there's categories for personal life and family, friends and community, physical health and fitness, habits that define you, career studies, relaxation, hobbies, creativity, mental health, self-knowledge. I really like that one. And a better tomorrow. So that for the better tomorrow, there's an asterisk next to it. So what did you do this year to leave the world in a better shape than you found it? I think this will be very helpful to anyone that just wants to sit and reflect and really plan their year. And you're not late. You can start right now. So what? That is February. You can start right now. Also pair this with the 12-week year. There's a free audiobook here on YouTube. I actually have the audiobook. I want to buy the physical, but that's a really good book. And I think that's when I realized I need to start framing things as tasks for me instead of goals, because it comes with a workbook too. And it kind of like breaks things down into like daily tasks and then weekly tasks. It basically helps you to get a year worth of things done in 12 weeks. So you pair that with the year compass. I've been doing this for the last 2 years. Well, I just started the 12-week year last year. And though I didn't check off everything I've had written down or on my list, I still check things off. And that's good enough for me. So my only task this year is to just go harder than I did the year before. Go harder. Stay on the path I'm on. Just go harder. Be more intentional. Be more consistent. That's something I struggle with a lot. And it's another ick of mine. It's like consistency. Like, KESH, lock in. Be consistent. Do know when I'm talking to y'all, I also talking to me. Like, I'm not just saying shit and pulling shit out my ass on some real shit. These little pep talks I be having, I've already had these talks for myself, you know? But it's good I like watching my videos back sometimes. I'm like, yeah, KESH, you said that, yeah, you know? But please don't feel like you're behind in nothing. Please feel like just because it's February and you don't know, like, oh my gosh, a whole month already went by. You're good. Trust me, you're good. Stay focused. Do not get overwhelmed. Don't stress yourself out. You're not behind. Just sit down and take some time to yourself and really, like, get focused on what it is you want to do. Because you can't do everything. I wish we could, because I be wanting to do mad stuff. But just take some time to yourself, reflect, and plan, and then execute. Reflect, plan, and then execute. And I'll leave you with an affirmation that I heard in one of my audiobooks. I can't remember the name right now, because I listen to a lot of audiobooks. But it is something that has helped me, because I get discouraged sometimes. I have a little bit of fear, and I'm like, where is this coming from? Not like, I don't know why it creeps up sometimes, but I do get a little fearful sometimes. I guess because a lot of things be the unknown. I'm trying new things, and I don't know. I do deal with fear sometimes. So I'll leave you with an affirmation to end this video, something that has helped me. I actually have it written right here on my vanity mirror, because I spend a lot of time here, and I have to look at it all the time. The minute fear creep up, or a little discouragement, or I'm just feeling down, I repeat this to myself often, many times throughout the day. So the affirmation is, fear is faith in evil instead of good, and only good can come into my life. I'm gonna say it one more time. Fear is faith in evil instead of good, and only good can come into my life. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you got to the end of this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope this year is so beautiful for you. You are so deserving of everything you want. Don't let nobody tell you different. Just get down, put your head down, do the work, get focused and locked in. I love you. I'll see you next time.